Productivity is less about the things that you do and more about how you think about the things that you do. So, for example, you may not feel that you're the most organized person or that you need a lot of people around you in order to get something done, but really learning and being self-aware of your own individual productivity styles and how you work in your zone of genius is more beneficial because you can now empower yourself to be able to do those things, and you can feel more productive being exactly how you are and knowing that about yourself. And so it's more about how you think about productivity versus doing all of the things. And there are three ways that you can work with me. We can work in a strategy session where I work with you one-on-one for 1 hour, just going through your productivity strategy. You can also work with me in a group setting where I help you in a group container with productivity tools and tips for you to be more productive and organized. And then you can work with me one-on-one as a VIP day client where we deep dive into your business and find ways to streamline and simplify your systems.